Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro RV2800ZEUK, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner that combines smart technology with powerful cleaning performance, designed for those who want a hands-free solution for both vacuuming and mopping. This model is equipped with Shark PowerDetect technology, which automatically adjusts suctions based on the floor type, ensuring optimal cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. At the core of this vacuum cleaner is self-emptying base, allowing the robot to automatically dispose of dust and debris for up to 60 days, significantly reducing maintenance and manual emptying. The NeverTouch Pro feature ensures a hygienic, touch-free disposal process, perfect for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to avoid the mess. The vacuum offers precision mapping through LiDAR technology, enabling it to navigate with accuracy, avoiding obstacles, and clean methodically without missing spots. It supports multi-room mapping and can be controlled and customized through the Shark Clean app, allowing users to schedule cleans, set no-go zone, and adjust preferences remotely. For hard floors, the integrated mopping function uses a precision water flow system to evenly distribute moisture, providing a gentle but thorough clean. Voice control is also supported via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, offering hand-free operation for convenience. Whether you are dealing with pets' hair, crumbs, or dust, the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro delivers a powerful and smart cleaning experience built to fit into modern homes and busy lifestyles. This vacuum cleaner deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.